Welcome back everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at Freepik AI. Freepik, founded in 2010, has evolved from a stock content platform into a comprehensive generative AI suite. It now offers a wide range of tools for images, video, voice, design, and editing under one unified platform. You can create visuals using advanced models like Mystic 2.0, Flux, Imagen 3, and more, with style customization and lightning controls. You can use also step-by-step conversational prompts to create or edit visuals, choose aspect ratio, color palette, and layout, composition, and more, all in real time. You can generate short AI videos. Models like VO2, Kling, Helio, and Minimax includes prompts enhancements and editing tools, and it can turn low-resolution images into 4K, remove backgrounds, expand canvases like outpainting, and refine visuals seamlessly. Freepik AI trains and reuses character styles across multiple generations for consistent visuals, including voice generation, design suggestion, templates, mockups, and library access to millions of assets and icons. So you'll get a massive model diversity, generous free plan, unlimited generation for paid plans, integrated workflows, and effective for realistic and fantasy artwork. But talking about the cons, recent redesigns have frustrated users, making tools slower or less intuitive. Also, video tools sometimes weaker than specialist platforms. Prompt enhancer may cause poorer output, and reports of delayed customer support responses and credit or account glitches. Also, some contributors cite low payouts and restrictive upload limits. So, Freepik AI is a powerhouse of AI creative tools, offering unmatched integrations across image, video, voice, and editing all in one platform. Its diverse models like Mystic make it ideal for high-quality fantasy or realistic art, while the new unlimited generation on premium plans sets it apart from competitors. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.